got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, 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 don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Yo! See, everyone's in here talking about politics already. Let's go, man. We're gonna jump on it. Let's go, guys. 771 Bitcoin with a pretty crazy day. It was a crazy ass day, man. We had this big ass candle to 68K. I'll show you guys why that level is so important right there. Make sure you guys vote in the poll. Is the Bitcoin local top in? Let me know. Let me know, man. Let me know. Do you think it is? We'll find out. I don't know. I think we all, we're so used to Bitcoin selling off at the range highs. Like, it's like, we wouldn't be surprised. We wouldn't be surprised, would we? But we'll talk about why that level was so important. And just a crazy day, man. Big pump, big dump. And then we recovered again. And looks like Bitcoin might want to try for the highs again. So let's get it. Smack the likes. Subscribe to the channel. I think we'll see where we're at. We'll see where we're at. Subscribe to the channel, man. We're at 74,924. Let's get to 75K today. Let's go, man. We got this. We got this. We got to get this up because that's how Bitcoin's going to go higher, man. We know the channel subscribers is the resistance safe for the Bitcoin price. All right, so let's go, man. Anyways, why was this level so important today, man? Well, it literally was that trend line, bro. From the top, you connect all these highs. It literally was, I think, a couple dollars off of hitting that trend line again for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th time. All right, so there's obviously a chance that we could get rejected here, right? We could get rejected. We could do a little consolidation, right? But you know, I want to pump. I think we all want to pump, man. You know? We all want a fucking pump. You know, we're all ready for a pump. You know, let's go. Sorry for my language, but I'm ready for a freaking pump, bro. All right, so let's get it. But yeah, so we did hit resistance, right? Obviously, long in here is a little bit risky. I wouldn't be putting in longs. It's more of so just, can Bitcoin break out now? Can Bitcoin break out? That's what we need to find out. That's what we need to find out. We'll talk a little bit about that today. Altcoin's not really doing too much today. It really is the Bitcoin dominance. Look at Bitcoin dominance, bro. Bro, we talked about it yesterday. We said this thing probably looks like it wants to go higher. We talked about it yesterday. Bitcoin dominance shooting up, bro. 58.71%. Bitcoin dominance continues to go higher. Another person calling the ETH BTC bottom wrong. It just keeps going lower, bro. So Bitcoin dominance going higher. And this doesn't look like it wants to stop. And to be honest, this is exactly what happened last cycle, man. Bitcoin had this massive Bitcoin dominance spike. And it happened when Bitcoin broke all-time highs. Huge Bitcoin dominance spike. And then alts ran afterwards. So I'm hoping that's what we're going for right now. But Bitcoin dominance freaking shooting up to the moon right now. Absolutely mooning. So it's the Bitcoin show right now, which is good. We wanted the Bitcoin show. We don't want distractions. We want Bitcoin to rise first, and then everything else to rise afterwards. So that's good. And then other than that, we'll talk about a bunch of shit today, man. We'll talk about some stuff I'm looking at or have been looking at, and all that fun stuff. But let's see what you guys are saying in the chat first. See what all my favorite trolls and and all my favorite humans are doing in the chat. You little aliens. You little aliens, you. Like the stream. Fahid, you're always telling people to like the stream, bro. Thank you, man. Anderson's in here. Yo, I love when Anderson's here, man. It's always a better stream when Anderson's in here. He's always telling me to look at some meme coin. 8-0 movement is just distractions. You're a distraction, Psycho Pearl. You're a distraction from life. You're a distraction. Your wife probably tells you you're a distraction. All right, Psycho Pearl. Just kidding, man. Love it. Is politics allowed? I mean, we're 20 days. I mean, it's one of the bigger topics. It's one of the bigger topics. I do believe it'll impact markets in the short term. It's hard not to talk about politics, right? Because I do think the outcome of the election is going to have like a short-term effect on prices. It will. I think it's sort of naive to think that it won't have a short-term effect on prices. Long-term effect, probably not. Short-term effect, absolutely. So that's the big question, man. And one of my theories has been, can Bitcoin have like this huge rally into the election and then someone wins and the market goes down? I don't know. It's been one of my theories, but we'll see. We might not have enough time to do that. So we shall see. Who you got, Jordan? Ansem or BitBoy? BitBoy. Ansem's a pussy. Ansem's a pussy, bro. BitBoy's got the old man strength, man. As annoying as BitBoy is, he's got that old man strength. Even though I think the last fight he did was rigged, you could tell that the other guy wasn't trying. It was definitely rigged. He got paid to lose that fight. You could tell, man. Like, you could 100% tell. I got BitBoy winning that fight, though. Ansem's a pussy. Gotta move up quick if top coming in before election. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, dude. I don't know if we have enough time for that, Anyways. Shit, dude. By old man strength, you mean mean crack cocaine strength. Exactly, dude. I mean, even like anyone can admit, BitBoy probably has that old 40 plus. You guys know people that are 40 plus, they got this like extra strength to them for some reason. I think it's just life taking a toll on them, and they just like have this mental strength. It's weird, man. I don't know about you guys. Like, you ever wrestled someone that's older than you and you're like, this guy's not even strong. How is he this strong? Like, what? And it's because he's old. You guys have probably all seen it. But, yeah, I mean, we're right at resistance, guys. So, we got, I mean, to be fair, if we just kind of look at this real quick, we do have, if we close where we are now, so we still got an hour left in the day. We do have a little bearish divergence here, though. So we did hit this high. We do have higher highs on price, and we have lower highs on the RSI. So right now we do have a little bearish divergence, which, to be fair, right, if we look at this and we say, okay, each time we've had bearish divergence at this trend line, we've actually seen a dump. We have to respect it. I'll say I want to see a couple more days of price action before I'm like, okay, this is definitely going to play out. But we do have bearish divergence at resistance, which kind of sucks. Doesn't have to play out though, right? Let's wait for the close, and then let's see what tomorrow looks like. I'm very curious to see what tomorrow looks like, just because even yesterday looked a little weird, right? Yesterday we were like chopping around here. And then, I don't know, this morning, dude, we just like fucking popped. And it was random. So let's see what tomorrow looks like before we get too, discouraged by the daily bearish divergence there. But, it's there. We got to talk about it, I guess. But, dude, the story right now is Bitcoin has turned back into the vampire, bro. Okay?
Nope.
Bitcoin is looking at the altcoins and going, it is sucking the ever life out of the altcoin market right now. And that's what usually happens at the start of rallies, which is, I really like this. And this is one of the reasons I actually like this rally right now, is because Bitcoin is sucking the life out of altcoins first. And you might be pissed off, but that's a good thing. That's a good thing. That's usually what happens at the start of rallies. But yeah, dude, the story right now is dominance making a new high. And really, if you look around the altcoin market, there's not too much going on, dude. There's not too much going on. Sort of a red day, dude. Around most of the altcoins, which is fine, right? They play catch up afterwards. But I honestly, this is actually why I like this rally, because you're seeing Bitcoin lead. You're not seeing like memes. I mean, memes are still doing well, don't get me wrong, but at least on this, you're seeing Bitcoin lead, which is good. That's a good thing. It's a really good thing, dude. It's really good. It's really positive. It's really positive, man. I really like it, dude. Don't inflate his ego, Chewy. Inflate my ego. Inflate the ego, man. I don't have an ego, man. If I had an ego, I'd be doing much more stuff on here. I'd be starting a stupid trading group and charging you guys $100. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna do that. But anyways, I think what is interesting, and I'm kind of hoping for like a random pump tonight. I don't know. I have this weird vibe right now. I don't think this is the local top. And my gut intuitions have been slightly correct lately. They're not always correct, but lately they've been slightly correct. We said yesterday, I don't think this is the top. I don't think this is the local top right here. I don't. I don't think this is the local top. I think I wouldn't be surprised if we get another squeeze up. Just for the simple fact that a lot of times I like to see 3 hits to the high, and we have 2, and it's more of like a feeling, man. I think as we move up right now, there's a lot of even for me, man, I don't trust this move, and usually when I don't trust the move, it's usually the move. Like, I don't trust this move right now. I'm very skeptical. I'm very skeptical, man. And I don't want to be skeptical, but that's actually what makes me like this move, because I'm kind of skeptical. And I think everyone in the back of their head is thinking, dude, like, is this the move right now? Is this going to be the move that gets us out of here? I think everyone's thinking the same way, even all the bulls, man. I mean, we've been through a lot of dumps. And if we've been beaten up, dude, we've been beaten up in this range. We're all thinking the same way. It's like, this is the time that we're going to get out of here. And as we know, and, you know, it seems like this summer into this fall is playing out the same as last year, right? Where we had this boring ass summer from March to October, and then right around mid-October is when all of a sudden market was beaten up. We're all in disbelief. We don't think Bitcoin can go up. It's ridiculous. And then October comes, and we finally get that breakout. And at each one of these resistance points, people kept shorting, and we broke out of there into October, okay? And then obviously November, December, we're good, which we know typically October, November, December are good for Bitcoin historically. So are we playing a repeat of last summer, where we've gone sideways from March to September? We're in October now. We've got a early October dump, And are we ready to continue to see us do exactly what we did last summer? That's the question. But we've talked about this a million times the last few months, that Q4 should be good based on history. So we'll see if it's a self-fulfilling prophecy or if it's a fake. But here we are again. Here we are again, man. DJ Taylor made some hopium. Hey, sometimes, man, was it hopium last year? It wasn't hopium last year, right? It wasn't hopium last year. We have liquidity at 64.5. Yeah, we could pull back here. I mean, honestly, like, I wouldn't rule out a pullback here. I'm not saying long here, guys. I don't think longing here is a smart idea. Obviously, not smarting. It's not a smart idea to long here. At some point, we're gonna get a pullback. Right now, I guess it wouldn't be surprising if we had a pullback here. I mean, it's the most obvious resistance. It wouldn't be surprising if we had a pullback here. Maybe to like, I know a lot of people are, dude, everyone's looking at this level now. So 64,000 to like 64,500. Everyone and their mother's looking at this level now for a pullback. What I know about Bitcoin, it's either going to front run that level or it's going to dump beyond that level. If it's bullish, and I've always said this about BTC, if it's bullish, you should not pull back that deep, bro. You should not pull back that deep. When Bitcoin's bullish, it doesn't pull back deep. It pulls back shallow. It doesn't like to put the whole cock in the hole. You know what I'm saying? So for me, if Bitcoin's bullish, I'd rather it just chop sideways here, maybe, and then go, right? Because when Bitcoin's bullish, it does not like to give bears opportunities to get in, right? If you get deep pullbacks, it's actually a little bit worrisome, I think. You don't want deep pullbacks. We just had one. I don't think you want another deep pullback here, to be quite honest. So yeah, man. Let's go. Let's zoom back in. And yeah, that's Bitcoin, right? We're at resistance. Let's see if we can break out, bro. Wait, Clint's in here? No, he's not. Rip Clint? Dude, what happened to Clint, bro? The hell happened to Clint, man? Clint.
I'm gonna buy the top and I'm gonna sell the bottom, guys.
What the hell happened to Clinty, man? I miss little Clinty, man. I guess he got bored, man. He must have got time capitulated, bro. He must have got time capitulated out of the market. That's what happened to Clinty. Clinty, man. Clint, if you're out there, bro, hope you're okay. Solana consolidation. Yeah, a lot of altcoins are in consolidation. It's not really an altcoin day today. It's not really an altcoin day today. But I mean, there's setups across the altcoin market. I just think right now, just don't be surprised if Bitcoin continues to lead, at least for a little bit. You got Bitcoin dominance breaking out again. Just don't be surprised if Bitcoin is the star of the show for a little bit, which is good. You want that. You might not want that if you're holding altcoins, but like it's good for the market if that's the case. Today was Clint's DCA day. Clint definitely got bored. Hell yeah, dude. I mean, we all did, man. Even I did, man. I heard something happened with a hay baler. It wasn't good. Oh, shit. He's doing Clint's corner. Tune in. He didn't even tell me he's doing Clint's corner, bro. What the hell? His wife put him in a suitcase. Shit, man. His wife probably told him not to watch me anymore. It's all my fault. It's all my fault. Today was Clint's DCA day. Of course it was. Of course it was. 67K. Of course it was. Anyways, altcoins, not really much to say. ETH, kind of just holding in the same range, right? Why do I have this? Oh, I have this on non-log scale. That makes sense. But yeah, ETH is kind of holding here. So we'll see what happens. Like, I do wonder if it's going to test this trend line again at some point. I wouldn't be surprised. If it does, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But right now, it's actually holding up pretty good. Right? Red day today, but a little consolidation after a pretty nice move up. Some would call this a bull flag. I'm not a big bull flag guy. Yeah. I don't know if you can call this a bull flag with this big ass freaking thing in here. What was this today, man? This was some random shit today, man. It wasn't random, but it was like right at the market open, boom, Bitcoin pumps, and then just instantly dumps. And then it just like goes sideways. So yeah, maybe on the 4 hour we can call this like a little bull flag. Maybe be pushing to the orange zone. But yeah, same thing with ETH as Bitcoin. I think you're just at resistance, right? Bada bing, bada boom, you're at resistance. Not a good place to long. But, you know, it is what it is. Just consolidation. Sol, same shit, at resistance. Right, so you got Bitcoin, you got ETH, you got Sol, all at resistance. So we talked a little bit about yesterday is we want to see Bitcoin break out and see these altcoins break out of resistances, but none of them really did. They actually all got rejected from resistance today. Even with Bitcoin pushing higher, right? And that's the power, I guess, of Bitcoin dominance. But yeah, Solana at resistance. Hasn't broken out yet. We got to break through this level, man. We got to break through this level, dude. On Sol, we've been here 4 times. You know what I mean? Is it time? Is this a little inverse head and shoulders? You know, you might call it a little inverse head and shoulders at the range lows. I want Sol to go up, man. Other than that, yeah, SWE, obviously kind of like deviating the range highs. I don't love it. But, you know, I think as long as SWE holds this high, the first high from February, kind of back tested it today. As long as it holds there, it's good. If it breaks below there, SWE, that's actually not looking too great. Profit takers are coming in and selling off, dude. But as long as it holds here, shit, and just a back test, it's all good in the hood, bro. It's all good in the hood. Bitcoin goes up again. We get SWE going again. It's all good in the hood. Are you short in Bitcoin? I'm not in a Bitcoin short, dude. I'm not a Bitcoin short right now, which probably means maybe it goes down. But I'm not in a short right now, no. I'm not in a short. I wasn't really at my, to be honest, I wasn't really at my computer today. I was out and about today, so I wasn't really doing any trades today. So I have no trades open right now, dude. 0. I wish I kept my near trade open today, dude. Near blasted up like another 7% at one point today, dude. I closed it yesterday. I'm pissed. Happens though. It happens, dude. Someone called you the Jim Cramer of crypto. Is that right? Is that right? I wonder who. I think there's a lot of people the Jim Cramer of crypto. A lot of people told me that 60K was the low here, and it wasn't. A lot of people said Bitcoin dominance was topped out, and it wasn't. Oh, shit, man. What are you going to do? Sometimes I am the Jim Cramer of crypto, man. I will say that. No, I've been pretty right on most of the moves lately, man. I'm going to be honest. It doesn't always work out like that. Trust me, I'm wrong a lot. But lately, I've been banging out these moves, man. All right. Anyways. Some charts that I like, actually, some altcoins that I like. I bought some Tensor today. I bought some of this on spot today. I think this chart looks phenomenal, by the way. So I bought some Tensor on spots. You got 3 higher lows. And what I like about this chart, it's not just like the 3 higher lows, at the range lows. Why do I like this chart? Showing strength against Bitcoin, right? While the rest of the altcoin market is ass today. I always like that. I want to see strength against BTC. And also, the sellers, they tried to break this trend line right here. And basically, they dumped it and they got it back above, right? They faked the breakdown. A lot of times you get those fake breakdowns, you see these coins run. So I did buy some spot TNSR today. So we'll see how that plays out for me. Other than that, dude, not too much else to say, man. It's a lot of the same. Dino coins are still ass. Do you even want to bring up the Matic chart? I heard Hoff still holds Matic. I heard JJ still holds Cardano.
Bruh.
All right, anyways. But yeah, Dino coin still ass. Dude, Matic went, Is this going to break the support? I don't know, man. It's probably the low. I mean, this has got to be the low. If this is not the low, I don't know what the low is. I don't know what the low is, bro. Chili's been on a decent run. Yeah, Chili's been doing pretty good, man. I mean, we called this inverse head and shoulders right here. We had it drawn out. There it goes, dude. Sometimes these work out. But yeah, you broke the trend line. So, yeah. I mean, you should just see... Whoops. You should just see... You should just go back up to this trend line again, dude. I mean, it's just the same thing over and over again. So Chili's is, you know, back above its October low. Yippee. It's exciting, man. It's a nice little move. It's cute. But yeah, I mean, it probably just goes back up to this trend line again at 12.7 cents. Where we're hoping for is this is like just one big massive descending wedge that eventually breaks up. But yeah, so far so good. You know, I mean, you're still below the June. You're still below the June. Like, this is literally the bear market low for Bitcoin. You're still below that level. So like, whatever, man. But yeah, I mean, back up to 12.7 cents, I guess, is probably the move. If we want to do some like, you know, TA, shwie. Yeah, it gets you right back up to the top of the range, man. Gets you right back up to the top of the range. But yeah, nice move on Chili's. You probably got higher. You probably got like 40, 50% higher. If Bitcoin behaves. If Bitcoin doesn't behave, it's dumping back down. It's dumping back down. But yeah, I mean, that's much it. I mean, I can look at some other coins if you guys want, but it's really a Bitcoin day. I wish there was more to say today. It's more of a Bitcoin day. Around the hood, around the snood. But yeah, you're happy if you own Bitcoin today. It's a Bitcoin day, bro. As Bitcoin just continues to suck life out of the altcoins, as it makes its highest daily close. Bitcoin dominance makes its highest daily close of this run. It just keeps going up. And a lot of time we talked about, dude, I mean, if this trend line broke, hold on, let me put this on the 2-day. We talked about many times, if this trend line broke, we have no idea how high Bitcoin dominance is going to go. We have no idea. Now, we have no idea. I mean, it could stop at 60%. You get a little resistance at 60%. But we have no idea how high this is going to go. This shit could just keep going, bro. This shit could keep going, bro. So just make sure, and this goes back to early this year, if you're going to hold altcoins, just make sure you're very confident in those altcoins, man, because a lot of altcoins ain't even going to move, bro. Some altcoins, even with Bitcoin going up, they still go down. Atom, Matic. Some of these altcoins are still going down with Bitcoin going up. Like, what? You don't want to be holding those. Just make sure if you're holding altcoins, you're holding ones that are showing some strength, not, you know, just kind of sitting at the lows, you know? I'm trying to help you what I'm saying. I'm not trying to trash your bags. I'm trying to be helpful and not have you hold complete ass coins from last cycle, you know? But anyways, yeah, who knows how high this is going to go, bro? It keeps going up. So no problem with holding altcoins. I hold altcoins. I bought altcoin today. Just make sure you're confident in the altcoins and be prepared for them to underperform Bitcoin, maybe. You know what I'm saying? Be prepared, man. Be prepared. Anyways, back over here. The dead ones. The dead ones. When costs move, I think costs already had its run, bro. I'm gonna say that every time. I've been saying that for a year, ever since cost topped last November. I think costs already had its run, man. I think there's a high probability that Costa's top might already be in. You know what I mean? You might be like, there's no way that's the case. I think there's a way. I think there's a way. I think there's a way. Matic doesn't exist. Atom is actually super undervalued right now. I mean, you could have said that 2 years ago. You could have said that a year ago, right? it's just going to keep being undervalued. If the price keeps going down, that means no one finds value in it. You know? Unless it's like a complete, like, you know, complete crypto bear market. But if you have Bitcoin going up and it's still going down, that means no one finds value in that. You know? It's different if the whole market's going down. Right? Anyways, let's keep an eye on Bitcoin. 66,742. Think about AVAX. It's kind of a Dino coin, man. AVAX is kind of a Dino coin too. It's not as much as a Dino coin as the other ones, because to be fair, it did show some strength in the first run last year. AVAX did really well. I think AVAX did like an 8x. So like it's not as much of a Dino coin, and to be honest, it's it's not as much as a Dino coin, just because it already showed strength. So like if there's going to be a Dino coin I want to own, it's probably going to be AVAX. It's probably going to be AVAX or Sol, right? I don't know if it's Sol. I mean, Sol is technically a Dino coin, but it's not really a Dino coin. I mean, ETH is a fucking Dino coin too, to be fair. But yeah, it'd probably be AVAX. It would probably be AVAX, if I'm gonna be honest. All right, come on, BTC. Let's go, man. Anderson is still in his Adam Long. Dude, you got the patience of a fucking champ, bro. I'd be out of that thing. I would have been out of that thing days ago. You got some patience, man. Hope it works out for you. I really, really do. But yeah, let's see, 66,771 on BTC. Can we get another move up today? Maybe not. Maybe. 61% of you guys think is the Bitcoin local top in. Dude.
Jordan, you are the man. Love the transparency.
Shaver, you're the man, bro. You're the man, man. You're the man, bro. Listen, sometimes I say things people don't want to hear, and that's why a lot of people don't like me, man. But it's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna push your buttons until you stop buying XRP and Matic. Oh fuck, man. All right, anyways, 66,785. Can we get Bitcoin to roll? I want Bitcoin to roll. I want it to roll, man. I really do. Hey Drew, what's up, man? Anderson said it's been like 2 months. You've been sitting in a leverage long for 2 months? God damn. I would have been way out of that thing. I would have been completely out of that thing. Matic is the new XRP. No, dude. XRP at least doesn't go down. You know what I mean? XRP just goes sideways. It's the new EOS. It's the new EOS. Speaking of EOS, I haven't seen that chart in a long time. What does that thing look like? Yeah, this is kind of what Matic looks like. Oh, fuck. Big boy crypto side. Try to listen to people that have different opinions on the chart than I do. It makes us better that way. I agree, man. That's why lately I've been, you know, trying to be honest that when I feel bearish, I've been trying to give you guys some like bearish opinions sometimes. It's not always good to just hear bullish shit. You know what I mean? Like, it's not. It's good to challenge what you think or what you want to happen, you know? Like, I always want the price to go up, guys. Like, I always want the price to go up. I always do. But there's times it doesn't make sense. What I'm hoping for by the close, this is really what I'm hoping for, is I'm really hoping we can make a higher high on this daily RSI. We have 28 minutes. I would love if we can get like a late daily close pump and make a higher high on this RSI, so then we don't have daily bearish divergence. Because right now we have daily bearish divergence, which we know has been a recipe for disaster in the past. Doesn't mean it has to be, but right now we do have the higher highs and lower highs, which has not been a good signal in the past for us. If we just mark off all the times that's happened, here, higher highs and lower highs. Right here. Yeah, Yeah, right here. Higher highs and lower highs. And right here. Higher highs and lower highs. Each time that's happened has been literally the top. So what I'm hoping for, and we might actually be able to do it. We might be able to do it. Is I don't know if we're gonna get there though. We're gonna have to get like a pretty good pump, a decent pump by the end of the day to kind of nullify this. Doesn't mean it's like 100% the top, right? We've already seen many altcoins break these the last couple weeks or the last 2 weeks, right? But it's definitely something to watch. I more so like if we do close with that, I want to see how tomorrow looks like. If we like close like that and then we dump tomorrow, it would kind of look a little sketch. But let's see, man. Maybe Bitcoin's gonna give us that little late daily schnizzle. It's gonna give us the late daily schnizzle. We all want the late daily schnizzle. I want it. I want it. The fuck is this guy spamming, bro? Pop dog? We don't want pop dog. He said I've been Keith said I've been looking for something bad to happen in October. We gotta be positive, man. It's time to be positive, bro. It's October, man. That's the XRP pump music? No, it's not, bro. Don't even say those words. Don't even speak those words, bro. There ain't no XRP pump music. There's only XRP crab music. This is what we play when XRP crabs, okay? Because we're on the beach. The XRP crab. You probably could extend it all the way to like 2024 or like 2021. That's my crab. That's my crab. Kind of looks like an elephant. That's my crab though. Probably could make a claw. There you go. I said it looks like George. What the fuck? Oh man. You feeling the vibes? Turn this down a little bit. I'm feeling these vibes in the background. I don't know about you guys. Can you hear me well? Let me know in the chat. Can you hear me well? I kind of feel like keeping the vibes in the background though. It's kind of making Bitcoin go up a little bit. It's kind of making it go up. Come on. Come on. Pump Tenzor for me. Pump Tenzor. Pump it. Oh shit. Is it XRP's pumping? You feeling those crab vibes? Damn, you guys are like expecting war shit? It ain't the time for that. It ain't the time for that. It's the time to get a good daily close. Oh, we might be. It's gonna be close, man. It's gonna be close, bro. It's gonna be a close call. I love to nullify this bearish divergence, man. That would be really nice. It's gonna be a close call, but let's see what we get. Shorts got murdered today? Dude, yeah, the Bitcoin shorts got murdered today. Murder, dude. Any whole flat for Vanry? Shout out to Felipe. Thank you, man. Vanry? Yeah. I think like these coins that have just been, that had a really good run last year or early this year, and have seen these downtrends. They're all, if you notice, a lot of these coins that came out this bear market or this bull market, those are the coins you want to be in, by the way. They've all come down to retest above their previous bases, and now they're building a new base, right? You see, building a new base here. So, in theory, a good entry is below or close to this level, close to the lows. You can see that it's downtrend, and now you're building a base, which is really nice. So yeah, I mean, if you can get this close to 7.6, 7.9, I think that's be good for the, hopefully we get, right? What we're looking for, and what the thesis is Q4 bullish, right? This gets the rise up in Q4, because Vanry's a new coin, bro. And the new coins get these moves. Right, so I could see, yeah. I mean, we played Vanry earlier this year, right? That was one of the coins that I caught, and a lot of you guys did too. So I'm hoping we can play it up again. We'll see though. I'm not in this one, but like at the same time, actually, you kind of make me want to get into it. To be fair. Oh, we get a Bitcoin. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You know?
I'm fucking leaving. The show goes on. This is my home. They're gonna need to send in the National Guard or fucking SWAT team, cause I ain't going nowhere. Fuck that.
Come on, CZ. We might break that daily bear div in the last 20 minutes. Come on. Switch to the pump song, dude. I mean, dude, the crab song has been working. Should we change it up? We're not changing it up. Hell no. We might, let's check this real quick again. Oh, dude, it's right there, man. It's the same level. It's the same level. Let's see. Yeah, Franco's got it. He said, pay attention to the bases being formed on charts. Exactly. Franco knows what I'm talking about. If you have a long downtrend and then a sideways, you want to get in at the bottom of that sideways. All right, here we go. Here we go. Come on. Come on, man. You pumping my tensor, by the way? Yeah! Yeah! Oh man, this market cracks me up sometimes, man. All right, this market cracks me up when it's fun, you know? When it's fun. All right, here we go. 67, 122. Change it to the pump song. All right, but if we dump on the pump song, I blame you guys. I blame you. Anderson, you're funny. Come on! If we dump on this, I blame you guys though. Oh my god, we shouldn't have changed it from the crab song. You mother effers. I told you we should have kept it with the crab. Stop playing it. All right, ready? We're gonna switch back to the crab and we're gonna pump now. Ready? Here we go. Now we're gonna pump again. Now we're gonna pump again. Just wait for it. Just wait for it. Oh, you don't think Asia? You think Asia's not gonna pump us up? You crazy? Hold on. Hold on. I'm trying to find something. Come on! Yeah, he said 20x leverage on crab coin. No. There's a team of traders dedicated to taking out Jordan's trades. I don't think they got the moolah to take me out. I really don't. You want an entry? Bro, you ain't got no entry right now, bro. We already pumped. Oh, shit. He wants the short entry. He wants the short entry, man. That's what he wants. Oh, fuck. You still pumping, Tenzor? I'm only looking at this, guys, because I bought like a big spot bag of this today. It's kind of like a spot trade in a way. At least want 44.6. Looks like I'm going to get it. Because Daddy gets what he wants. Not always. Not always. Come on, corn. Oh, I'm blurry. Hold up. You said it's all up from here? I mean, historically, that should be the case. Right? We look at bullish years, 2023. I hope you guys can still hear me, by the way. Scream daddy. Daddy! Everyone's turning it off. Their wife's like, what the hell just happened? Daddy! No, I mean, historically, if we look at, you know, in bull years, October is usually the month, man. Like 2023, October was the month that we kind of went. We go back to 2020. October was the month, bro. You know what I mean? So it doesn't have to be like that, but it's what we've seen. I even think 2021, September boring, October was good. So, I mean, especially the end of October. End of Octobers tend to be pretty good. So, yeah, that's if you believe in seasonality. If you believe in seasonality, which I kind of do in a way, even though September was green. But then this should be the time. And we haven't looked at this today, but look at Bitcoin catching up to previous cycles again. We fell behind, and we are now catching back up. We are right there, exactly where we should be. Right there, man. That's where we should be, pretty much. It's crazy how it keeps playing out like that. We fell a little bit behind. We play catch up. Let's see if we keep playing catch up, though. Let's see if we keep playing catch up. I don't know, man. That's where we are right now, man. All right, back to the charts. Crypto Shock believes in whale fuckery. Me too, man. They make you think something's gonna happen, and they fuck you. They fuck you right in the ass, right in the freaking ass. Oh man. All right, let's put the pickle back on because everyone like, is any new people coming in? They're like, why the fuck does this guy have a pickle on his head? It's only when we're feeling really, really horny, man. Right? Only when we're feeling really horny. Oh, fuck. We check the pi cycle? Dude, that shit is way up there, I think, now. We could check it. Let's see, do I have a dedicated thing to that? Let's see. Yeah. Let's see. That shit is all the way up at 113K now. So, undefeated indicator, but will the undefeated indicator still work with BlackRock and Vanguard and company in the picture now? That is the question, you know. But the pi cycle top, at least the green trend line, is currently at 113,000. So, in order for it to cross, basically we need Bitcoin to go above 113K. So we'll see, man. We'll see, man. I'm not saying it's going to happen right now, so don't come after me and say, but Jordan, you said 113K. I'm just saying that's where the pi cycle top is, or the green moving average. But we'll see, man. That's a big move. That's a big move, man. They know about the pi cycle top indicator. They must know. Felipe said 112 was my sell point. Let's go. Is it a coincidence? George Levas. Is this George Cryptos R Us? Can you check IOTEX? Dun, 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 dun. 200 likes? Let's get this to 400, man. 400 likes right now. Let's go, man. We gotta get Bitcoin pumping with the good vibes, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to do it with the crab music. With the island music, you know? I think it's good vibes. Shit. I think it's good vibes, man. I think it's good vibes. IOTEX. I don't know what to think about this one. Oh shit, you already like broke out and faked out. So that's kind of useless now. I don't know. It's not my favorite chart. It's not like horrible. It's just not my favorite chart. It's not my favorite chart. It's not horrible though. You basically like all these highs. You're just confirming them as support now. You know what I mean? And it's been a long, grueling process, but you're kind of like holding in here now. You just need to see like I mean, you're in support, and now all of a sudden, for the first time in a while, you're starting to see these higher lows come in. It's actually very similar to the coin I was talking about earlier, and why I like it, right? It's very similar to this chart. Just doesn't have the same price action over here, right? It's long downtrend, but then finally you're starting to put in some higher lows, right? Higher low, higher low, higher low, and you start to get the move up, right? So it's similar to this one, just kind of right here, right? So I mean, you're starting to see a little bit of trend shift in these altcoins, right? Lower highs, lower lows, But now you got higher highs and higher lows. Can we continue the uptrend? Looks like it wants to. Definitely looks like it wants to. It definitely looks like it wants to. But I mean, a lot of these altcoins, you got these three higher lows. Which is nice. Now let's, just like when you see three higher highs at the top, right? 1, 2, 3. That's the top, right? 1, 2, 3. Let's reverse that shit now. It's only a matter of time, man. Doesn't mean it has to happen today. Ripple the cripple. Let's check the corn. Oh, we're still sitting at 67K. Come on, corn. We got 6 minutes into the close. I think we're gonna close. With some bearish divergence. Which is, I mean, it's not the end of the world. Like, it's not the end of the world. We have 4-hour bearish divergence and daily bearish divergence. So, I'm just saying there's probably a likelihood that we at least see probably some consolidation. I was hoping to annihilate this, but it doesn't look like it. It's probably likely we at least see some sideways here, I would guess. If not a pullback. Probably seems likely right now. But no, knowing the honey badger, you know, I'm not saying you can't pump because the honey badger does whatever it wants to do sometimes. But the TA, bearish div, daily, bearish div 4-hour, probably screams a little bit more consolidation, you know? But I'd love to pump, so like I like to say, sometimes I say, fuck the TA. I want to pump. You know? You said, no, we're pumping, bud. Trust me, dude, I want to, man. I want to say fuck the TA. I really do. It's going up, you have no clue. Wow, people are mad in the chat. Why are you getting mad, bro? Why are you guys getting mad? Because I said there's a couple bearish things. Bro, you got 2 people. It's going up. You have no clue. Oh, that's the same guy. And the other guy said, nah, we're pumping, bud. Relax. It's all going to be good, man. It's all going to be good. Oh, jeez. Back to DA. Bearish Jordan is my dear. No, I would say I'm bearish. I think we could go sideways for a little bit. Sideways probably makes a little sense here. I made it go down? Nah, we still went up. Oh shit. You know when this song comes on, it's about that time, man. So much tension, man. We've been going sideways for so long. Why is there so much tension? Release the tension. Breathe, man. Do some breathing exercises. Go to the gym, man. Get that tension out. Why do you guys think I've been so mellow lately, man? I've been so mellow. Do some breathing exercises. Stretch. Go to the gym, man. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay if we go sideways for a little bit. Come on. 1 minute chart. We can go 15. The 1 minute's a little bit too dirty for me, man. I mean, we can go 1 minute. You wanna go 1 minute? All right. All right. They look like the MACD crossover on the weekly. Un Mango said the liberals got to me. Oh shit, dude! I'm not even like a political person, man. I don't even know what a liberal is. I don't even know what a liberal is. You know? I don't give a fuck. All right. Yo, MJC. Whoa. Wow, that is so generous. We are definitely going to pump now. Thank you, MJC. Yo, let's go, man. 20 of them? Damn. Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the chat. Holy shit. Oh, shit. You said yes, I do? Karens are usually liberal? Dude, I mean, I always hear that word liberal, but I don't know what it actually means, you know? Like I said, I hope you guys can hear me, man. I got the music on. I kind of like the music vibes. Let me know. Do you guys like music in the background? I've always wanted to do that because it makes me have a little bit more energy too. I'm not sitting in silence. Like, when I'm listening to music, I get energy, so it helps me out too. I might start doing that. I know everyone does that, but like, I can see why they do that. It gives me energy, man. It gives me energy, man. Alright. Jordan, make me a mod. I'm into it. I'm into win it every day. Oh, shit. Jordan, I got too many mods, bro. I would totally make you a mod, but I can't. I already got too many mods. Too many liberal mods, apparently. Too many Karen mods. Just kidding. I don't think we have any Karen mods. Maybe Jazz. I said maybe Jazz, man. Let's go. You have a small echo? You do? Oh, okay. I'll turn it down a little bit for me then. There we go. You can fire for Hoofty. I like the music, but lower it down a little. Okay, I got you. Is that good? Is that good right there? Or is it too low? I don't know. I don't know yet. All right, 67, 112. All right, so we close the daily. All right, daily close, baby. All right, let's see what we got. Yeah, so we did close with the bearish div, but it's not confirmed until tomorrow. We got to see how tomorrow closes. If tomorrow's green, well, all of a sudden we don't have it. If tomorrow's red, we'll confirm the daily bearish divergence. It's all about tomorrow, okay? Or I guess today. Technically it's tomorrow. But it's all about tomorrow's close, man. So what will Bitcoin do tomorrow? Pump or dump? That 4-hour close was pretty fucking good, though. That 4-hour close is really nice, man. But you still got 4-hour bearish divergence, too. Once again, not confirmed until we see what the next 4-hour candle does. But, well, let's see, man. That's a nice 4-hour candle, though. I'm gonna push you up there. We in greed 73. Yeah! I love this song. Yeah! Fear and greed. Where are you? We are at 73. Shit. That's the highest we've been since July. Right here. Actually, right around the same level. I think right at the same price. Ah, we were a little higher. But yeah, we are at 73 on fear and greed. So people are already feeling greedy somehow. It's so quick how people feel greedy now. Holy shit. Wes, so remember that? We were here too when Bitcoin was at 40K. Of course, Wes. Of course we will, man. But yeah, people are already feeling greedy, man. And, and prices haven't really moved up that much, you know? So, but it's okay. Like, I always like to remind this is when you get these moves, right? You're going to stay in this greed period for, like, you basically stayed in greed this whole move, right? Then you dipped, and then you were in greed for almost this whole move again, right? So the market can stay in greed for a while. I think when you start to get to this extreme greed, right, you start seeing like high 80s. That's probably the point where it's a little bit sketch. But, you know, It is what it is. If Bitcoin's gonna be bullish, you're gonna have greed on the fear and greed. Like, it's almost inevitable. It's inevitable. It's inevitable, man. But we can't play this right now because we're not pumping it up. This is like, you can't play this. Guess we'll play this song again. No one's talking about the full moon. Well, is the full moon bearish or bullish though? It's supposed to be bullish. But like, it makes people more emotional due to it. People are pissed off, it's gonna make them pissed. It's gonna make them turn into a gorilla and sell. You don't wanna be a gorilla. Alright, anyways. Oh man. IoTex is a sleeper. I'll tell you a sleeper. Tensor, bro. Look at Tensor go, bro. Look at Tensor go, bro. Ah. Let's go, man. Anyways, I'm getting pumped. I'm getting pumped. Love the background music. Dude, I think that's what we've been missing for a while, man. It gives me energy. I'm like hyped up right now for some reason. I gotta find more background music though, so I'm probably gonna play the same songs today. But I gotta find some good background music. Different vibes, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. I gotta find somewhere. I guess that's what I'll do a little bit tomorrow. I guess I'll find some background music. I'll do it tonight. Nothing to do tonight. Highest position I ever held, 4 billion Shiba Inus. 4 billion chips. That's a lot of Shiba Inus, dude. How much? 4 billion chips? I can't even do the math. Depends on what price too, though. I'm not very good at math, bro. How I get up in the Discord chat? Well, I don't really go into this. To be fair, I don't go in the Discord anymore. I had a social media detox. I needed to detox myself from social media a little bit. So like, this is my social media now. Literally, YouTube is my social media. I go on Twitter too, but I'm not that active. I mean, I maybe tweet like one every 3 days, and I mostly shit post on there. It's mostly shit posting. I'm not really that serious. Bro, let me help you with new music, copyright free. Wes, I'll hit you up on Instagram, bro. I'll hit you up on the gram, bro. We'll figure something out. You always try to help me out, so I know. We'll play some of your songs, bro. I'll hit you up on the gram, either tonight or tomorrow, man. Tion says, sounds like a complete waste of money. What? What does? What should I eat for dinner tonight, guys? I mean, I already ate, but I'm kind of hungry again. I'm trying to bulk. I'm on bulk season right now, man. I'm on that bulk. Hey! Do we get a new Discord link eventually? When more friends? You guys want a new Discord? Man, I need... The Discord's not good for me, man. It's not good for me, man. No social media. Social media is not good for me, man. I notice I'm a happier person when I'm off social media. I wish there was a way to, like, hang out in real life. I would totally hang out in real life with some of you guys. But, I realize, like, I'm a happier person when I'm not in chat rooms and shit. I don't know, that's just me. I wish it was easier to, like, hang out with some of you guys. I would totally go to the bar and shit with some of you guys. If any of you guys are up here in, you know, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Connecticut, New Hampshire, hit me up, dude. I'd be down to hang out as long as I sort of know who you are. Oh, man. Eat cottage cheese. I hear microwave ribs are delicious. Dude, I want those microwave ribs. I've been dying for those. Usually we have those on 4th of July. So I didn't microwave them this year. That was last year. I have to wait a whole another year to get the microwave ribs. It's all right. I gotta show my future wife the microwave ribs. She's gonna be so impressed by my microwave ribs. And she's really gonna be my future wife. Oh, fuck. Fuck me, man. Oh, guys, I remember, I want to remind you, I am going to Florida next week, so hopefully there's no hurricane. Oh my god, we can't play this in the background. What is this? We'll go back to some Jaja bangs. Yeah, I'm going to Florida next week. Monday to Monday. So next Monday to the Monday afterwards, I'll be in Florida. Unfortunately. And that'll probably be the time Bitcoin breaks all-time highs, so you're welcome. You're welcome. It will be next week. Because that's how it always works. So yeah, I just know, I mean, it's a good thing and a bad thing, right? I mean, at the end of the day, at least you guys will know when Bitcoin breaks all-time highs. Franco said, I got money. I can go to Boston whenever you want. Franco, let's make plans, bro. Let's make plans, man. If you want to come to Boston, let me know. Can't be next week. Weekend after. No. Within the next 3 weeks. 3 weeks. 3 weeks or 4 weeks or 5 weeks. Let me know, man. At least I know Franco's. Like, I'm not afraid of Franco. Like, some of you guys, I don't know, man. Like, I don't know if I want to be hanging out with some of you guys. Not because I like, it's not a bad thing. I just don't really. I have to recognize you from the chat at least. You know, like that's got to be like a requirement. And you can't be Clint. If you're Clint, then I'm just kidding. Come to the UK and get raided on. Oh shit. Kenny, you're gonna be within 1 hour of my crib? Kenny, you live up near Boston? Oh, no, you're in Florida. You're in Florida. You're in Florida. Hops said 67K. Hops, what are we doing at 67K? Are we dumping? Are we pumping? What are we doing? Drew said, I'll message you on Discord. Franco, I ain't in that Discord, bro. You can, you got Instagram? Hit me up on Instagram, man. We'll make plans, dude. If you got an IG. If you don't get IG, maybe Twitter. Detox yourself from YouTube and come to X. Oh, 70K this week. 70K this week? I'm down, bro. I'm ready for it. My balls are ready for it, man. I don't want to short Bitcoin anymore. Oh. Hoopty said, Boston ain't far. I'm in Canada. I'm in Canada above New York State. Oh shit. Drew wants to still take me climbing. Drew, I have this thing where I want to go to every state. So I've been to a lot of states, but I want to go to every state by the time I'm dead. At least that's the plan. So Drew, when I go to what is it, Colorado? Right, you're in Denver, right? I think, if I remember correctly. Then you'll be who I hit up, man. You'll be who I hit up in Colorado. I'm in Texas. Texas. I want to go to Texas, man. I actually never been to Texas either, dude. I want to go to Texas. Texas sounds cool, man. It sounds like people are just very nice down there. You guys got like good barbecue food. You know? You guys just are very wholesome people. You got good cornbread. The cornbread is the most important thing. Like if you don't got if you don't got good cornbread, are you really a southern state? No. But I want to go to Texas. I want to go to every state eventually. Even like South Dakota, North Dakota, even those weird ones. Not weird, dude. I bet like they're really nice. Like nature-wise. You know? Dale market. I guess we're going back to the crab market. The Jordan Stream crab market. Is it 8:15? I'm hit Oklahoma for some chicken fried steak on my way to Texas. Dude, chicken fried steak is so good, man. I actually like the IHOP chicken fried steak. But I'm sure there's better chicken fried steaks. But I love the chicken fried steak from IHOP. Oh, yeah, baby.
Bruh.
That shit is good. You have a friend in Washington State? Let's go, man. I bet I got a lot of friends everywhere, man. Maybe I'll have to do that. As long as none of you guys kidnap me. Jackson said, bro. Well, I don't think this year I'm going anywhere new. But next year, I want to at least go to 2 new states. That's my goal. Next year, 2 new states. At least 2. I think South Carolina is going to be one of them. For a reason. South Carolina is going to be one of them. We'll knock off South Carolina. And then we'll see where else we go. See where else we go next year. But I think South Carolina is going to be one of them. Hopefully. You never know. You never know. You never know. You never know. Where in Florida are you going to? Orlando. Orlando. Link said, be careful, Joe. We got some psychos in the chat. Yeah, I know, dude. But just know, dude. I'm only meeting up in a public place. In a very public place. Brian said, Jordan, let's do a meetup in Boston and do a live stream of Bitcoin breaking all-time high. Well, I'm going to be gone next week. I bet, I'm not going to guarantee it, but would I be surprised if Bitcoin broke through next week because I'll be gone? No. That's just how life goes. So just be prepared for it. Be prepared for it. Just be prepared. Stay strapped. Stay strapped. And I shouldn't have to stay strapped, man. Like if you have to stay strapped, like life is. But I mean, people are crazy out there, man. You never know. You never know the crazy people. You never know the crazy people. I can't go to the U.S. I've been to jail. So I'm definitely not meeting up with Creepy Sheepy. Dion said, want to meet around the corner? I can't, Dion. I'm a taken man. I'm a taken man. I'm a taken man, bro. I can't beat you up around the corner, bro. Or else I'd totally be down, normally. Be careful in Orlando. Dude. Orlando's great, man. I've been to Orlando like 10 times, dude. Because my brother loves to go there. My brother loves Disney. He's like a little weird Disney fanboy. So like we always go there. But yeah, he's a Disney fanboy. Jordan always ignores replays. I ain't ignoring you, bro. Just don't tell. True. That is true, replays. This is one of the best vibes in months. Of course it is, man. We got good vibes, man. I noticed it's all about the music, man. I think that's what we're missing for a while. The music in the background gives some good vibes. I love music, dude. I listen to music all day. In the car, the shower, I'm always singing. I'm always singing music, dude. Can't really sing this, but kind of can. You can make up some song. You can be like, Bitcoin's gonna pump It's gonna go high. It's gonna go high. Cardano is not. Bitcoin will see all-time highs this week, and it will. We can make up some song. Right up. Look at Bitcoin dominance, man. Guys like, George, shut the hell up, man. There we go. Nice voice. Thank you, thank you. They call me John. They call me Jordan Mayer. RJ said each throne. I like silence and earplugs. Yeah. I love music, man. Dude, guys, I think I gotta go though, man. There's a little groggling in my stomach. Oh man, dude, I made some homemade chicken parm earlier. Dude, there's a little groggling in my stomach, guys. Maybe it was the chocolate milk. I've been drinking chocolate milk to try to bulk up a little bit, man. Is Bitcoin gonna pump? When I have to take a shit? Oh man, it would totally make sense. It would totally make sense again. You know, they really would. They really would. The Massachusetts. Yeah. So guys, I think I'm gonna call the stream here. Tomorrow, I'll be live early tomorrow. Because I think we're gonna see some volatility, man. I think throughout the night maybe we can kind of go sideways. But I think we're gonna keep seeing volatility until the election. I don't think there's gonna be a lot of boring times. I think the election meeting in 20 days is gonna bring some crazy volatility to markets. So we'll be live early tomorrow. I'll schedule it a couple hours before. I'm gonna try to catch a move. Usually the moves happen during the day, so I'm gonna try to catch the move tomorrow if we get a move. So other than that, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for coming out. And guys, I told you to hit me up on IG. Hit me up on IG. We'll make some plans, get some music, all that fun stuff. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Smash the subscribe button if you haven't already, guys. Everyone who's in here who's new. We're at 74,956. Let's get to 75K, man. We even killed it. We got like 200 in the last, not 200, like 150 in the last 2 days. Almost there, guys. So smash it. Anyways, peace out, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Later.